Good evening, magicians. Before you sleep tonight, I want you to listen to these affirmations. All night while you sleep, these affirmations are going to play in your subconscious mind, installing the perfect abundance frequency, the exact frequency that attracts money into your life effortlessly. You don't need to repeat after me tonight. You don't need to do anything at all. Just lie down, close your eyes, relax your energy, and let these words go deep into your subconscious mind. If you do this every night for the next 30 days, you will wake up feeling different about money. You will think differently about money. And money will start responding to you differently. Are you ready? Good. Nothing to do. Just listen. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Relax every muscle in your body. Let go of the day and just listen to my voice. Thank you, universe, for all the money I already have in my life. I am truly grateful for every rupee, every opportunity, every source of income that has shown up for me. I have always been taken care of. I am always taken care of, and I will always be taken care of. Thank you, universe, for the money that came to me through my parents, through my work, through every person who has ever paid me for my time, my skill, my value. I have always been receiving money. Money has always been a part of my life. And I am grateful. I have an amazing relationship with money. Money is my best friend. Money is my mentor. Money loves me, and I love money. I am completely comfortable with money. I am completely comfortable being wealthy. I am completely comfortable living in my dream home, driving my dream car, giving my family the best life they deserve. I'm a magician, and magicians live abundantly. For the first 15 to 20 years of my life, money came to me as a gift. My parents took care of all my needs without me having to worry about a single thing. That means I already know how to receive money effortlessly. I have already practiced it. That frequency lives inside me. I was born to receive. I was born to be abundant. And that is exactly what I am becoming. More and more every single day. Take a deep breath and relax. Just keep listening. I have powerful money-making skills. And because I have powerful money-making skills, I have multiple sources of income. I love working on my skills. I love growing my skills every day. I become better at what I do. I am a value giver. Whatever money I receive, I always give 10 times the value in return. That is why people love giving money to me. That is why money keeps coming back to me. I am an ethical person. I am proud of what I do. I love giving, because I truly believe in what I offer. I am a big thinker. I am an excellent money manager. I am always taken care of financially. I am tuned into the abundance frequency right now. Every cell in my body is vibrating at the frequency of wealth. I am not desperate for money. I am not anxious about money. I am satisfied. I am secure. I am at peace. And because I feel abundant right now, money is being attracted to me right now, even as I sleep. Thank you, universe. I am now making, say your number, every month. Happily and easily, I am now making, say your number, in passive income. Happily and easily. Take a deep breath. Good. Relax even more. I have a generous heart. Every time I spend money, I say, go with love, grow with love. And that money goes into the world. It multiplies and comes back to me tenfold. I give money freely. I receive money freely. I am in a beautiful flow with money. I am never worried about money leaving me, because I know I have the skill, the value, and the frequency to attract more. Always. I am very comfortable being a millionaire. I am very comfortable visualizing myself as a millionaire. I am very comfortable living in my big, beautiful dream home. I am very comfortable driving my dream cars. I am very comfortable spending on my dream holidays. I am very comfortable giving my family a luxurious and abundant life. I deserve this. My family deserves this. And it is already on its way to me. Thank you, universe, for making me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, so secure about money. Always. I am a millionaire. I am a value giver. I am a magician. Money loves me. Money flows to me. Money grows with me. And tonight, as I sleep, my subconscious mind is locking in this frequency. My mind is attracting money. Even as I rest, I am always taken care of. Now go to sleep. magician, sleep well and wake up tomorrow knowing that your abundance frequency is stronger than it was yesterday. Good night.